What's up, people of America? Today I'm about to be showing y'all my makeup routine for when I literally get up in 2 seconds and need to hurry up and do my makeup. So first I put on my moisturizer and I just kind of, do the lathering all over my head and my cheeks and my chin and things like that, because we gotta keep it nice and soft, and we like to keep it nice and fresh around here, so gotta have the moisturizer. Next, I do concealer under my eyes, because you already know if I have 2 minutes to go, I probably went to sleep like 2 hours before, so I'm gonna have under eye bags, and honey, those are not cute, sis. Like, those you need to get rid of those, so we're gonna go ahead and cover those up. I also happen to have a pimple at the time, so I'm also going to cover that up. And then I use my brush that is actually really, it is really not professional, but that is okay, because that's what we're going to use. Oh, by the way, these are all drugstore products, because I'm not about that, expensive makeup life yet, but, yeah. So now you're just going to blend that in. Next, I am taking my foundation powder, and I'm just going to put that all over to set the, look. I don't do the makeup things, but it's okay, because, I'm trying here, and, that's good. It's good that I'm trying, Alright, and next, I am going to be applying eyeshadow onto my lids, and excuse my very poor application process, because I know that this is usually not how people do it, but this is how I'm about to be doing it, because, like I said, I got up like literally 10 minutes ago, and I had to get onto the bus in 2 minutes, so we gotta hurry around here. So now, I'm going to be putting on eyeliner, and I did that off screen, but now I'm going to be putting on, not putting on, but curling my eyelashes. So, yes, this is what I'm doing right now. I usually just hold it for about, 20 seconds, but I actually sped that up. And then I put on mascara, and I am finished. And this is the finished look. I'm now ready to hurry up and run out the door, hopefully not forget anything, and get on the bus, and go. So, hope you guys enjoyed.